need the funds for the fund.
Baby, he rich. Why you gotta give money up? He been rich.
How it start though?
Then they got a rich Uncle Twin here.
How it start though?
Hey, it ain't even no pipe. Whatever it is, bring it.
Where's Baby D though?
No, where is he at for real? Happy birthday.
Takia.
Hey y'all.
We back. Hey, say you just left the bar.
The bar?
I'm
Yeah.
gonna go back to the bar. Look, Carl, what's up?
What's up, baby? Hey, look, you he heard the bar now. She trying to go straight and drop the kids off with me. I'm trying to get to the bar too.
Your daddy and uncle do it.
And give it to them.
They gonna lose
They
it.
not. Hey, don't lose that.
They're gonna lose it.
Carl, you hold it. You're more responsible.
Why are y'all drinking? This is crazy. Chill out. I guess we just don't have to go nowhere to drink after this like we normally do. The liquor's here.
Hey man, I ain't finna let them fry me. I got to get me something into me.
Hey, sir.
I don't even know we're supposed to start eating the pizza yet, but I got to get mine. They ain't finna put all the liquor on me. Had me slumped over. No sup.
Oh, yeah. I knew I was about to take a shot. Fucking with low.
They ain't worrying about nothing but this here.
Have a shot for
There you go. There they go, man. Yeah, right here. You got your name on it. Come on now.
The biggest one too.
Come on now.
The big one in there, you hear me? My boy.
That's what baby. You gotta go big now. Damn. You ain't even cheers, B.
That's how you do, huh?
I'm supposed to do a cheers.
You drunk it that quick?
That's what I said, it is. You know?
You ain't been while they playing right.
That's what it is. Hello.
Hey, happy birthday, baby D. We love you so much. I'm gonna look. I'm already starting. Hold on. I'm already starting to cry.
Don't start that.
I'm not gonna. Don't videotape me crying though. I'm just. Let me have it this time.
Run it back.
Run it back.
We're singing happy birthday at 4:45.
Run it back.
Like it's your birthday. It's baby D birthday. It's not your birthday, man. Oh, man. Cheers, man.
We should just have the party right here. We ain't need upstairs. Hey, Lo, you should just have the party right here. What you get upstairs for?
I mean, we gonna sing happy birthday.
We could have did that right here. It was always late. Bro, come on, we got a shot for you. Shots up. Why you think we bought a bar?
You know what, man.
Background, I talk to you.
You gotta tell them.
Everybody in the back.
Happy birthday.
Dang!
Like my food, just like my food. Hey,
Where y'all going? So you do what? Y'all know how to drive? Huh?
Shit on the birthday side, me and Nell, Scorp shit. Tight
When
shit.
your birthday?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? When your birthday, Driz?
Sword.
Way in May, right? They inside at the bar getting drunk. Yeah, we already 4-5 shots in. That's how we do it. Get off? What are you gonna do? How you gonna drive?
Baby, you want me to buy your car?
How you gonna drive though?
We're not used to waiting in line for nothing.
It'll be alright though. Real quick. I told you.
I'm 6.
Huh?
I'm 6.
Oh,
5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah.
No, you're not. It's alright, just leave it right there. Put it on the floor. Oh man, come on. Get in number 24. Right here. Hey, you ready? Don't wreck me, bro. Don't have a wreck, bro. Alright, bro. I'm depending on you to make it back home safe. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Huh?
We have to go down.
Let's do it. Let's get to the front of this line already.
Oh, no.
Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, son. We're almost to the front. Let's do it. Let's go. Woo! Come on, we gotta pass them up. Let's pass everybody. Let's go. We gotta go catch fast now. We're in the front now. We didn't find those guys in the dust. Did you like it?
No, why did we beat that guy?
We beat everybody.
Happy birthday, baby!
Come on, man. We got to do a drip check. You see what I'm saying? Come on, man. It's the details, though. Like, get in there. You see, like, come on, same way it is on the shirt. It's on the pants, though. You see what I'm saying? Come on, man. The whole fit from aisle 5, man. Aisle 5 only place you need to shop when you want that drip. Tell you, man. Listen. Come on, man. Like this. Come on, man. Stop playing. Spend my $50 for this wristband and ain't gonna try to fool it out? Yeah, you crazy as hell. What's going down over here, though?
Look, you know we on the pool table, guys, and then 20 ahead. 20 ahead, man. Right up there.
On the count, Drizzy?
We doing 20 ahead, though.
I had to take geometry twice, D.
Huh? Your geometry one
I
right?
had to take geometry twice.
Let me see. Him too shaky. Let me see you work though. Swin? Man, you got to try it though. Hey, all that leaning and
That's a nice one right there. Too hard, though, right?
I know. Hey, I ain't made nothing yet, but I'm finna toast. What? Oh shit.
In my P turn. In my P turn right here.
That nigga ass
Where you coming with it at, P?
dead wood, P. He dead wood, P. Walk him down. What's that boy name? Walk down. Big walk down.
Oh! Stop that shit there, P. Stop that shit.
Walk him down, D. Say no more. Watch it. Hey, my talking. I don't let you.
Hey, you know, you miss is over with, kid. You can't play with me. Don't put too much on it.
Oh, it's over with.
I told you.
Huh?
Fans might come get me and tie me in with OTF, nigga. I'm murder for hire. They send me over to kill this nigga, man.
It's on you. It's on you, Ash. Birthday.
Stretchy.
Yeah. Clean him out.
Stretchy.
Clean him out.
Right there. Right here.
Yeah, right there.
I gotta get one more in there.
No, that's weak.
Sleepers, creepers, right here.
Oh, you ain't get my numbers though. You ain't get my
That nigga only went up 25 from me, nigga. That way. Well, you know how hard you gotta hit them.
Get back, get back.
You back, you back.
Back. Back, nigga. What's the Get back, nigga.
Ain't no walk up. Hit him right here on the button. Y'all ready?
I ain't gonna lie.
It might be 400.
You gotta.
What them elbows? These people that already got kicked out from over there at that bar.
Sitting up here.
No, it's gonna be alright.
It's gonna be all
They
right.
get better with age. I'm gonna drink it in a minute. You gotta let it get a little age on it. All they wanna do is drink, bro.
His birthday's tomorrow.
Oh, we going up for Ash right now. It's his birthday. Let's get a round of shots. Let's do it. Kobe! Get Kobe! Kobe, get on back, please. Damn. Hold on. I'm warming up. Hold on. Let me wind him up. Hold on. Hold on. That was just a me. Hold on. That was just for the people in the back watching me. That wasn't supposed to go down like that.
I like pills and Percocet.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What?
Yeah.
Pills and Percocet. That's what pills and Percocet do to you. That's what pills and Percocet do to you. Let's go, B. Let's go. Come on, V.
That was in my warm up. Get this one on camera. That one for you.
That one was for me?
That's just steady curve. That was just warm up though.
That ain't. I'll see you.
That's low here straight.
Ash, wipe him down then. Oh man, what's that? Oh no, I don't need this. Hold on, right, V. Hey man, these people don't do nothing else. They gonna drink and not think. Let me see your ass. No, it's right there. It's down. I got a dub for you if you clean that up. 2 hands. Let me see you clean that up. For the 20 right now. Fred Flintstone.
Put too much spin on it.
I ain't gonna lie, nigga better get this one on camera, Pete.
I know how to do it, though.
I'll shoot that back here, nigga. Play with me the wrong way. You hear me?
On camera, that's the one, right?
Doing it. That's something with the alley. It's too greasy or something. Bro. You got 21.
Let me see. You got it now. Uh-oh. Yes, sir. We got young Snoop, y'all. Oh, Snoop. Let me see, P. It's young Rollo, y'all.
Let me show you the spin.
Blue.
Oh.
Okay, you ready? Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go.
I'm ready. Right after you. Watch how she falling. I fall straight through. Oh, I fall straight through too. Play with me.
Double-handed. The twist.
Put more sauce on it, dude.
$23.
23 out of 10.
Man, you got more toys in the living room.
That's good. The Marvel run. 2 Marvel runs. Then this right here. That.
Got too many guns, dude.
This right here is Holly. And then this car. And then this.
Ooh.
A switch.
That's a case for your Switch. You needed that.
Thank you, everyone.
Hey man, we just left the club and we went up for Baby D, man. Hey man, thank y'all for watching it this far, man, cause hey, that is a wrap for Baby D's birthday, man. See y'all on the next one.